I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Roblox Studio updated, and your account has permissions to modify the place. Once done, back up the project and open a dedicated test place so you won't affect live users. Next, enable Developer Hub and Beta features in Studio settings. This unlocks experimental AI integrations. Now, open the Explorer and Plugins panels and prepare to install or enable the AI Assistant plugin. These are the first actionable steps that get the assistant into the workspace. You will now find and install the AI Assistant plugin from Toolbox or Creator Marketplace. Choose the official or trusted release. Once added, enable it under Plugins and accept any permission prompts. This allows the plugin to access the current place and scripts. Then configure its settings. Enter API keys or cloud credentials, select region and rate limits, and toggle features like autocomplete or generation. Make sure to save settings, restart Studio if prompted, and verify the plugin display's status. Finish by integrating the assistant into gameplay. Require its module script or call the plugin API from server scripts so it runs securely on the server. Once integrated, run local tests, send sample prompts, inspect output, and watch the output and log files for errors. After passing tests, publish to a staging place and monitor latency, costs, and edge cases. If something goes wrong, check API key validity and CORS or firewall rules first. Often a permissions or rate limit issue causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.